Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable notification sounds from Messenger in Realme Narzo N53. For this, we'll need to click on the three lines in the top left corner of Messenger app, then go for the gear icon. This should enter settings, and here we can scroll down for notification and sounds. We can enable all of them or disable all of them for a certain amount of time, like 24 hours. Or when it's enabled, you can adjust notification previews, light, notification sound itself, ringtone, vibrate on ring, in-app sounds, new friend notifications, and manage notifications themselves right here in the Android settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.